how to write the same literary argumentative essay for every story. Before I even read the story upon which I will write my essay, I already know my main idea and which devices I'm going to analyze. That's right, without knowing anything about the story, I still know what my main idea and my literary devices will be. Let me explain. Almost every story that has ever been written is about overcoming obstacles. Maybe you're reading a story about a woman in a poor relationship with her family, or a man who is trying to escape the boredom of his office job. The woman is trying to overcome the difficulties that her family poses, and the man is trying to overcome his daily struggle at work. Almost every story is about overcoming obstacles because life itself is about overcoming obstacles. Having parents and siblings and learning to get along with them is a challenge. Graduating college involves a series of challenges, assignments that must be completed to obtain marks. So I'm almost certain that any story I read will be about an obstacle and some character who tries to overcome it. Speaking of characters, this brings me to my next point. My first body paragraph will focus on characterization. After all, every story has a central character. Sometimes a story will have multiple characters. All I have to do is pick the character that interests me the most and ask myself some questions, like, what is the obstacle they're facing? What is their personality like? What are their good and bad qualities? Are they a different person at the end of the story, or do they stay the same? Answering these questions provides me with enough information to write a full body paragraph. For my second body paragraph, I'll write about symbolism. Symbols are simply objects with special significance. There are so many objects in our lives with meanings that are unique to us. For example, a teddy bear sitting on my bed is not just a teddy bear. It's a symbol of my childhood and my desire to go back to a time when life was simpler. The envelope on my kitchen table is not just a piece of paper. It contains my electricity bill, and it's a symbol of the stressors in my life, the anxiety that I must learn to overcome. Symbols are scattered throughout stories. They can be apples, stars, pencils. Any object with special importance is a symbol. When I write a body paragraph on a symbol, I describe the moments in the story where the symbol appears, and I explain the meaning of the symbol and how it relates to the events in the story. That's all there is to it. My main idea is overcoming obstacles, my first body paragraph will focus on characterization, and my second body paragraph will be about symbolism. What about my third paragraph? Well, I don't know. A little mystery is a good thing.